This is a YouTube subscriber display. The case I made in Fusion 360. I was going for like a old wooden radio look, or desktop radio look. It's powered by a ESP8266 and a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. It grabs the temp and humidity and displays it down here. Pretty soon it'll grab the stats off my YouTube channel and display them up top. It refreshes every 1 minute. If you're interested in how it was made, let me know down below, and I can maybe post a follow-up video. Everything else I'll post in the description below. Thanks for watching.